Shimma, come here. Look.
This is your vitamin drug. This is your cat.
Hey, did you take your
Yeah.
pill?
Yeah, I took the antibiotic.
Shimma. Oh, baby.
So drugged.
Oh.
She stays in the scene. There she goes.
She don't know what she wants. Matter, Shimma. Well, maybe she'll just go to sleep.
Yeah. Poor thing.
Let her sleep.
That was just one pill, wasn't it?
Yeah.
She's like, she doesn't want to stay still.
Where are you going? Kate? Maybe she just wants to be left alone.
I think she wants your chair.
Hold the chair. Shimma.
I'm trying to light.
That's enough, Kate. Let her be.
Yeah.
Let her sleep.